So I'm excited. Finally got my hammer made by XB Forge. He did a giveaway with Brian at Housemade International. Whoever could guess the weight of the hammer. I had guessed 4 pounds 10 ounces. Another gentleman did, and we were the only two that were close enough. It was actually 4 pounds 5 ounces. So Brian put it in a random generator and it spun out, and I actually won it. So I'm going to do the unboxing of this hammer. So Aaron at XP, and if I could just figure out which way is going to be the best, he hand forged this hammer, so it's truly one of a kind. If I can have this blade open. He shipped it all the way from Canada. I'm going to need some nippers for this. Hold on, I got to move the camera. Oh wow, this thing is a beauty. Oh, thank you very much, Aaron. This is very, very nice. I greatly appreciate the time and effort you took into making this hammer. I'll definitely be using it, and I got a garbage truck going on behind me right now, and I know when I'm not using it, the perfect place for it is going to be, hold on, when I'm not going to be using, the perfect place is going to be this Craftsman upper tool chest to complete my box. So Mason's box is fully complete. I was just missing the top. I could not find a red one, so I had to settle with a gray one, but that'll fit nicely up there. Again, thank you very much, Aaron. This is truly a work of art that you did here.